Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. This is an in the post and it's in the post number 24. And the first thing I want to show you from in the post is actually this here. This here is a gaming mat, or that is what it's described as. However, as you can possibly see, we have a fantastic dragon and dragon's lair. It is from a game. However, this is big enough and it's soft. It isn't going to scratch coins, so I'm repurposing it. Instead of it being a gaming mat, I'm actually repurposing this as a coin mat. So this is the first one. I will pop down the address of the person who is actually selling them and the link, because they're not expensive. Normally for a gaming mat, if you had one purposely made, if you can still find the people to get them personally made, they're 25 quid upwards. This was, I think, just over £12 posted, and it is huge. There's all this bit extra here, and there's also the extra bit on the other side. So it's a large mat. It will cover a good space on the table. It give you plenty of room to to move your coins about and have them in different areas, or your banknotes, or whatever else you may be showing off in your video. So that was the first thing that I bought. I do this on each video on these because there are people who actually enjoy seeing them. These are stamps. These have come off. That's UK. That one's Canada. Let me just bring it down a little bit for you. Canada. There's another Canadian one there. Slovenia. A British one. And some more British ones. Now, that should tell you where some of this stuff has come from. And here we go with the first lot. This wasn't a purchase as such, but there's some coins that I've found that are going in and that I've kept back, which I'll discuss and show you at a later date. But there's the platinum and also the pride coins there. However, this is the important one. This is a 2016 large shield round pound coin. Now, for those of you who are not round pound collectors, it may not be quite as obvious, but the 2016 is an NIFC. So when I put that into the book, which I will be showing you at some date in the near future, that will be an NIFC that helps me virtually complete the round pound coins. I have one more to get. Now, some of the stamps that you've just seen, there's two lots from Canada, and this is the first of the two lots that I've got. These are two coins of the same person. One is just a plain coin. Can you see those? One is just a plain coin, and the other one has a slight amount of colour to it. These celebrated a fantastic jazz pianist by the name of Oscar Peterson. I will be doing a full review of these coins at a later date. So that's one of the two lots of the Canadian coins that you saw just recently. The other one was to do with this, and it's one that I've had for a little bit of a while, but it's one that's become popular with coin collectors. It is the Memorial Toonie from Canada. It has a black outer rim and the polar bear in the centre, but the important thing is that you got the maple leaf and the $2 on that side. But this is the memorial coin that Canada bought out for Elizabeth II. There you go. There's head side and the reverse. Again, these coins will be given more in depth later on, and this one is a Queen Victoria coin. Oops, let's get the right way up for you. It's a Queen Victorian coin. It's from India. It's a Commonwealth. It's a pre-Commonwealth coin. It's a Empire coin, which you'll get to see at a later date. Right. I then went on the web and onto eBay in particular, and there was a coin that was very much something I was interested in purchasing or getting hold of. It was a 50 Bani coin from Hungary. However, the coins themselves I wasn't able to get hold of, or the coin I was looking at I wasn't able to get hold of. So there's the first three. Oops, let's just take you up a little bit. Those are the first three. The coin I was after I wasn't able to get hold of, as I said, but I saw this one and there was 5 of them on sale, and they're all 50 Bani coins, but the difference being that they were commemorative coins, which is unusual. I've not seen many commemoratives from Hungary, the 50 Bani coins, so I will be doing a review on that. And at the same time I found this coin again. It's a 50 Bani from Romania. Is it Romania? Yeah, Romania. It's a 50 Bani coin. It's a commemorative coin, and it commemorates a gentleman that comes from the Vatican. In 2021, or was it 2022? Pope Francis did a papal visit to Romania. That's the coin they brought out to celebrate it. I will be doing, as I said, a full review at a later date. Now this last one has been awkward. It's not playing the game. Come on. Oh, come on. It's playing silly so-and-sos. Come on. Yay! And here we go. We have a full set of coins. Let me just come back up a little bit. Oops. There you go. There is 5 coins. Now these coins are the 100, the 250, the 500, the 1000 and the 2000 Dobras. They're from Sao Tome, Principal set from 1997. They are an FAO set, which is a Food and Agriculture Organisation from the UN, who are the people responsible for the FAO, and each of these have a slightly different slightly different reverse on them, to do with the food and agriculture of the principle of Sao Tome. Now, I have seen the one that looks like a bit like a 50p at the end here, the highest value one, and I think I've seen the slightly smaller thousand dollars as well as the 2001. I like the coins when I saw them on somebody else's channel. I can't remember exactly who it was. I think it might have been Dave, NEC Coins. But I got the full set, or managed to find the full set, and I'll be bringing this to you as an individual video at a slightly later date. Now, that ends this in the post thing for today. I will try and get the guy who owns this, who sells these mats, to see if he could do something that I can fit in. I'm not sure he'll be able to, he's a very busy man, but I'll certainly leave the link down below. As I say, for the value of this particular mat, I think is fantastic. I don't think you'll find a better one that you can buy off the peg, so to speak. You might be able to buy them that are individually manufactured for yourselves, but they aren't cheap. Whereas I think this is very good value for money, being only, I think it's £12. So, having said all of that, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy. I have been looking at the statistics from the channel, and I'm seeing that approximately just over half of you who are viewing the channel are not actually subscribed to the channel. So if that being the case, I would love to see a few of you over the next month or so joining me and joining as a subscriber to the channel. I am trying to grow the channel again this year, and for that vein I'm doing a minimum 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-ra now.